What's the best way to evaluate if a printer applicator is best for your business?
This is a question that we hear quite often. We hear from almost every customer, I wish I had a way that I could just hit a button and it would automatically apply. The fact of the matter is there's cost that's involved in that. So the first thing you have to take a look at is understanding what the cost is to apply that label. So understanding what your volume is and what you're paying an operator to apply that label is a big part of it. At the end of the day, what you're paying somebody to sit there and manually wrap that label is costing you a great deal more than what the actual label costs you. If you don't have the volume to drive to offset that piece of equipment, there's no sense in looking at that equipment. So volume is a big driver to it. The other thing to take a look at is consistency. One of the biggest things that I hear from customers all the time is, I need for this label to be on here consistently. And Greg, I can tell you from experience, if I had a piece of wire and a label in my hand, put a piece of wire with a label in your hand, and we both put labels on, there would be a distinct difference as to who did what. The repeatability on an automated piece of equipment is outstanding. You don't have to worry about if the piece of equipment had a rough night at the bar the night before. It just consistently, over and over, applies the label. So overall, main driver you need to take a look at is your volume and your cost and what's affecting those costs. Generally speaking, labor is the number one thing.